As the number of sites on the web increased in the late 90s, search engines started appearing to help people find information quickly. Web search engines are software programs that search on the internet based on the words that you query. Search engines look through their own databases of information in order to find what it is that you are looking for. But how were these early search engines like? How did it work? The following video aims for giving us a general idea about how they started working. Let's imagine a person who is looking for a specific thing. In this case, our confused guy is in front of a sign and doesn't know whether going to market A, B, or C in order to get a spear. Actually, he has the information on his pocket. He grabs what it seems like a rock from his pocket and informs the guy that the spear are sold in market C. The lost guy gets excited because our special friend helping him to find what he was looking for. Immediately after, more people approach to the same sign and start deciding where they should go in order to get a sheep. Our friend has bought a sheep before and he knows that the information about it is in another pocket. Similarly as the first case, he takes out the information from another pocket and provides with the information to the people. They are really satisfied with the valuable information received. Based on the recent experience, our friend decides to leave the pieces of information close to the sign. Hence, anyone else could find them and keep informing about the stuff they can find at the markets. Nevertheless, he wonders whether there exists a better way to share the information not only for the local people who visit the sign, but for people from other places as well. Therefore, he decides to pick up and bring them with him. He then decided to put the pieces of information in one data store. Anyone else could retrieve the same information no matter where they are located. The idea constitutes the basis for the search engines. In fact, centralized files were used by the first search engines to provide information to people. The very first tool used for searching on the internet was Archie. The name stands for archive without the B. It was created in 1990 by Alan Emtish, Bill Hilding, and G. Peter Deutsch. The program downloaded the directory listing of all the files located on public anonymous FTP sites. In 1991, by Mark McCahill, led to two new search programs, Veronica and Jughead. Like Archie, they searched the file names and titles stored in Gaffer index systems. In June 1993, Matthew Gray produced World Wide Web Wanderer and used it to generate an index called Wandex. The purpose of the Wanderer was to measure the size of the World Wide Web, which it did until late 1995. The web's second search engine, AliWeb, appeared in November 1993. AliWeb did not use a web robot, but instead depended on being notified by website administrators of the existence at each site of an index file in a particular format. Jump Station, released in December 1993, used a web robot to find web pages and to build its index, and used a web form as the interface to its query program. It was thus the first www resource discovery tool to combine the three essential features of a web search engine: crawling, indexing, and searching. One of the first full-text crawler-based search engines was WebCrawler, which came out in 1994. It let users search for any word in any web page, which has become the standard for all major search engines since. It was also the first one to be widely known by the public. Soon after, many search engines appeared and viewed for popularity. These included Magellan, Excite, Infoseek, Inktomi, Northern Light, and AltaVista. Around 2000, Google's search engine rose to prominence. The company achieved better results for many searches with an innovation called PageRank. This iterative algorithm ranked web pages based on the number and page rank of the other websites and pages that link there, on the premise that good or desirable pages are linked to more than others. Google also maintained a minimalist interface to its search engine. By 2000, Yahoo was providing search services based on Intomi's search engine. Yahoo acquired Intomis in 2002 and Overture in 2003. Yahoo switched to Google search engine until 2004, when it launched its own search engine based on the combined technologies of its acquisitions. Microsoft first launched MSN Search in the fall of 1998, using search results from Intomi. In early 1999, the site began to display listings from LookSmart blended with results from Intomi, except for a short time in 1999 when results from AltaVista were used instead. In 2004, Microsoft began a transition to its own search technology, powered by its own web crawler. Microsoft's rebranded search engine, Bing, was launched on June 1, 2009. On July 27, 2009, Yahoo and Microsoft finalized a deal in which Yahoo Search will be powered by Microsoft Bing technology. I hope this video helped you not only to understand how basic algorithms used to work, but also to realize that there exist several search engines with different algorithms. These are being constantly improved to handle all the information on the internet. See you in the next session to understand how Google search engine works.